Walnut follows a worksheet-based system. Let's understand how to manage this for Standard 1 and Standard 2. So your child comes home with a folder full of worksheets. You must remove all the worksheets from the folder. The folder should have only stationery inside when your child comes back to school the next day. All the worksheets should be taken out and kept at home. Now let's see what to do with them. So you will see different worksheets with different color bars at the top. Each color represents a subject. The subject name and chapter are written on each sheet. We have 5 core subjects: English, Mathematics, Science, Social Studies and Marathi. You can also see this on the wiki. All core subject worksheets go into the big box file. Other worksheets are for co-curricular activities. They go into flat files, not the box file. You can find the full list on the wiki. It also gives you suggestions on what files to use for what subjects. Back to the core subjects now. Use one box file per unit. So at any point, you will use only one file. Keep the others aside. Core subjects should be filed daily. Use separators to organize each subject. When you take out the worksheets from the folder, you have to separate them into core subjects and co-curriculars. As you are separating them, quickly go through them. They are already corrected by the teacher. The teacher makes different markings on the sheets. You can see what each symbol means on the wiki. Sometimes the sheet that the child brings home may not be complete. If the teacher has written IW there, it means the work is incomplete. This usually means that the child couldn't finish it during class time, while most of the class was able to complete it. So it's okay, just have the child finish it over the weekend or holidays. Now do not send these sheets back to school. Once the worksheets come home, they stay home. Some sheets have extra practice questions. So if a sheet is not complete and no IW is written, that means those questions are for extra practice. So you can complete those whenever you feel you want to give the child some additional writing practice, again weekends and holidays. There are also some super sheets. Those are also for extra practice for weekends and holidays. So just by flipping through the daily worksheets that come home, it helps you understand your child's progress and what additional resources have come from the school. It doesn't even take 5 minutes. So now all these core subject sheets that have come home have to be filed. Use the separator, file each subject in its own section in the same box file. The worksheets are already punched. You just have to put them in the right parts of the file. Co-curricular worksheets can be kept loosely in one file as they come home and then filed properly once a week or once every 2 weeks. And that's it. Your worksheets management is done. So, a quick recap of the system. Worksheets that come home stay at home. Separate them into core and co-curriculars. Go through them quickly as you file them. Core subjects to be filed daily, co-curriculars weekly or fortnightly. Folder comes back to school empty with only writing stationery. And the wiki is your go-to place for all information about the school. That's all.